The meditation for focus and for sweetness, a really beautiful way to tap in, to tune into your inner voice using the feeling of your heartbeat. So here we begin by turning the left palm over on the knee. Palm is facing up. And with the four fingers of your right hand, reach for the pulse in your left wrist. I find it's easiest if you move to the center vein closest to your thumb side. Settle into your heartbeat, sensing your heartbeat with your fingertips. Once you've made that connection, bring the mantra Satnam to the beat of your own heart. Satnam, 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 Satnam. Yours might be a little faster, a little slower. Find the beat of your own heart and use the mantra Satnam to connect. Keep your eyes closed, focus towards your third eye. This meditation gives you the benefit of focus with sweetness. The mantra Sat meaning truth, Nam meaning name. This is a great meditation for beginners, for kids, for anyone who's never meditated before. It gives you a powerful focal point with lasting benefits. Last few rounds. Keep your hands in place, take a deep inhale. And through the nose, exhale. Relax your hands and sit for a moment. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. We close with a long Sat, short Nam. Inhale very deeply. Sat.